Ready for the sickest van tour ever? 4350 with a 7.3 Powerstroke diesel and a 4x4 Quigley conversion. What does that mean? I don't know. It's just a bunch of shit that I am into. Maybe you're into it too. We'll find out.
First thing you notice when you open up the van is the Galley, which is the term I just learned 10 seconds ago. Yeah, let's open it up. Let's see. What do we got? What's inside? Boom! Poop shovel. First thing you see right off the bat, the poop shovel. Yeah, it's got a bunch of nice trays. So we've got this for cooking, this folds down, this folds up, and we got a very crucial bungee to keep the door open. One thing that's a little tedious is having to do this every time you want to open it, but whatever, it was free, right? Moving on into the van, you'll probably notice the very cute dogs who are laying in their beds. But you'll also notice this lovely, non-offensive, incredibly vibrant rug from Fred Meyer. That was more of a necessary purchase and not something that we wanted to do. But the dogs really like it because they don't like sliding around. In here though, this is where the pups mostly sleep at night. They kind of like having a cozy little den situation, so we figured we'd recreate that because that's what we had at home. When we're driving, however, they cannot chill at all and they need to be by us at all times. So we kind of just piled up a bunch of cozy stuff and they literally lay down between us the entire car ride. Moving to the bed, I decided that I really needed something supportive because I've got pretty bad back pain. So we went with a super comfy memory foam mattress. However, the rumors are definitely true. It is so hot. But that's why we have the Max Air fan, which has been super crucial traveling through the Midwest and the South. Yeah. On the side of the bed, we decided that we didn't want just empty space or a massive mattress, so we decided to put a bunch of storage along the sides. It's kind of where we keep electrical stuff. We each have a personal bin, and then dog stuff and towels and spare things like that. Never underestimate how much storage you actually need. I kind of wish the storage went all the way up somehow, but that sounds a little too difficult. So this is what we've got for now.
Welcome to our 5-star kitchen. Boom. Beautiful large countertop, workspace area, sink with running water, storage for days. Got a couple of drawers. Top one we have silverware, bottom one we have a lot of food stuff. Fancy latching marine hardware. That's top dollar stuff right there, y'all. Top dollar. Then under here we keep all our water tanks. They're removable, so easy to fill up. And then in here, we've got some first aid, some like medical stuff, I don't know, soap, I guess, if you shower. And then we've got dishes, and the very bottom is all our electronic stuff, our house electronics to power everything inside, which includes right over here, we've got a 12-volt plug-in, just your typical like car socket. And then we also have 2 USB plugs and 2 USB-C plugs. Those are wired straight into the battery, and with that we can charge cameras, computers, anything. We decided not to go with inverter for multiple reasons, but I'll probably do a separate video on house electronics and go through all that. So if you have any questions you want answered, hit me up in the comments. We also have a fridge down here as well, just a little one, mostly for medical supplies, but I'm a type 1 diabetic. But you know, we sneak some root beers in there every once in a while.
If you step over here to our armoire, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's just like a net and some bungee cords,
Yeah,
basically.
but it's called an armoire.
Yeah, I don't know if it counts, is all I'm saying.
If you step over here to the armoire, you will see that we have a lot of super colorful clothing up here. We didn't bring any winter stuff with us because it's hot, sweaty summer, which is helpful for storage as far as that goes. I don't really know what winter's going to be like when we've got, well, I have like 10 different jackets that I need to wear to keep warm. But for now, it works pretty well.
This is where all the business happens, and what I mean by that is it's our most expensive accessory, a luminous tire carrier. Yeah, we're bougie. Oh, also, flexing that Quigley 4x4 on ya. Ooh, don't see that often. Keep it hidden though, because you know, don't want to brag too hard. So we open the back. It is just a mess of storage in here. We got crash pads, we got mountain bikes, we got mountain bike tires, we got fluids, we got bottle jacks, we got skateboards, we got toe straps, we got wrenches. All that to say, like, we just have a bunch of stuff stuffed in here and it's really disorganized. But yeah, that's it.
Shout out to the dude who stopped to help us when we got a flat tire and single-handedly with one jack ruined 2 days worth of my hard work on this Plasti-Dip bumper because we can't afford a real black bumper. All right, YouTube, that has been our official van tour. Not quite as flashy as some of the other vans out there, but it's our home and we worked really hard, so definitely be nice.
Also, we like it, and so it doesn't matter if you do. Just saying. Just saying. We'll probably be trapped in suburbia for a couple more weeks, doing some family stuff. So yeah, we'll see what videos come out. Let me know if you have questions about the electrical. That'll probably be coming soon. Like, comment, and subscribe, y'all.
Bye.
All right, fan highlight reel. We got big tires. They're 33s. I mean, they're not actually 33s. They're like 285 70s, I think, but close enough to the 33. And black steel rims, because that shit looks cool. Boom. Lumbar support. You see that in a lot of vans? No, because everyone has new Sprinters with comfortable seats, and we just have old work van seats. How many vans do you see with that mossy oak camo steering wheel cover? None. Spoiler alert, y'all. Rednecks are cool, except when they're racist.